Alright guys, welcome to video 2. In the last video we learned the G chord and a 4/4 strumming pattern. G chord sounded like this, chords up on the screen, and we did a 4/4 pattern, which is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Sounded like this when played out. Pluck, down, up, wait, down, up, pluck, down, up, wait, down, up, stop. And now it's pretty easy going. If you need to practice that again, go back to video 1. So today we're going to introduce the Beatles C chord. It looks exactly like the Beatles G chord, except we're going to drop the top two fingers, the pointer and the middle finger, down one string. So the middle finger is going to go on the 3rd fret of the A string, the 5th string, and the pointer finger is going to go on the 2nd fret of the D string or the 4th string. Sounds like this. And we're going to play 4 C chords in a row, counting to 4 using that pattern. Pluck, down, up, wait. Down, up, pluck, down, up, wait, down, up, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and stop. Pretty fun sounding, and we used the same pattern from last time. Now, what was unfair to you was I started without counting out loud, and this is the cause of many fights in many bands, because someone didn't count out loud, no one knew when to start or when everyone should jump in. So generally, the drummer would count out a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4, you hear a click, 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 and the whole band would join in on 1. This makes it easy. That count to 4 is a measurement of 4 beats. And so music is written on a staff, and on that staff you have measures, and the measures count out increments of whatever the time signature is. That's a lot. Just know that the time signature in this is 4 beats. So every 4 beats, you have a new measure. Measures are separated by bar lines, and then you get to the end of the piece, there's a double bar line. We're going to do 4 measures of the C chord, and we're going to stop. And I'm going to count us off this time. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, and pluck, down, up, wait, down, up, 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 stop. Fun, right? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 1. 2 and 3. 4 and 1. 2 and 3. 4 and 1. 2 and 3. 4 and stop. I shouldn't have played that last stop note, but you got it. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pluck, down, up, wait, down, up, 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 stop. Good job. If you need to practice this a little bit more, repeat the video as often as you need. Remember, proper prior practice prevents poor performance. What you practice on the backstage helps you on the front stage. Until next video, enjoy the music.